2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, navigation system, power passenger seat, backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, front floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, premium sound system, auto-off headlights, passenger airbag. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.